Hey y'all! So today I decided that I wanted to restore an old art piece that I did. It's this giant paneled koi fish painting. I kind of wanted to give this piece a new light, and I'll show you what I mean. Sorry about my glasses, by the way. They're giving this weird blue glare from my light, so just ignore that. So before we head to the art store, I'll show you guys the painting and what it looks like now and kind of a little bit about how I'm wanting to fix it up. Okay, let's do it. So this painting is probably about 6 or 7 years old now, and as you can see, it is falling apart and it's quite a bit scratched up. When I first did this painting, I didn't use any kind of sealant or varnish, so I definitely want to make sure I do that this time around. Okay, we ready. I had to go to my apartment's office and pick up my packages. I got some Amazon stuff. Now, you know it's a shame when you have a package and you don't even know what it is. I can't remember what I bought from Amazon, child. I want to look for some new flowers, a different color to add to the panel painting, and I just have to decide what I think will work best. Yes, and we can't forget to grab some varnish to protect our painting. Okay, y'all, so I just got back from inside of Michael's. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I have an addiction. I can stay in there for hours. I have to literally tear myself away. I got what I needed. I'll show you guys the color that I ended up getting. I got distracted by this bird. Look how cute. All right, y'all, so we are back home. I'm just gonna go through all of the supplies and then we can go ahead and get started. So guys, after letting the panels dry for a bit, I took them out on the balcony so that I could varnish them with this spray varnish. And I was having the worst time ever because it was super windy and really it just kept blowing away. That's it. So yeah, I gave up on that, and then I just brought them in the house and went ahead and varnished them indoors, opened up a couple windows, and yeah, just went with it. And as you can see, I chose violence and decided to do this project straight on my carpet with no protection. I am using a hot glue gun to glue these petals down, which means that they won't last here forever. They will eventually fall off with time, but I'm actually okay with that because if I decide I want to change this piece in the future again, it'll make it that much easier. After I took all the petals off, this was what was left. So I figured I could use these leaves and then I could use those weird little stem things that are on there still. So I just cut them off and kind of played around with them to see what I could do with them. Y'all, and she is officially done. I love all the pieces I added to it. I feel like it has a lot of depth, and the glitter just does it for me. It's like not too much and not too little, and even though I know it'll be stuck in my carpet for the rest of eternity, totally worth it. So thank y'all for coming along with me and restoring my old painting. I had so much fun doing it and I love the way it came out. I do have some other pieces that could probably use some restoring, so maybe I'll be able to do those in the future and you guys can join me. Bye y'all.